So guys, katatapos ko lang magligo at meron na naman tayong nadiskubrihan na app na legit at subok na ng iba pang YouTubers. At kung gusto mo itong malaman, tapusin mo itong video, okay? So let's start! So guys, meron tayong nadiskubrihan na isang app na legit at subok na ng karamihan. As you can see, meron akong $3.20 and 22.4k na tickets. If you will ask me kung paano ko ito na-collect lahat, is sa pag-spin mo lang, is makakuha ka na ng tickets or dollar. Every 4 hours, namimigay sila ng 1 spin. If you want another additional spin, you can click this, get 2 more spin, and you can watch an ad, and afterwards, you can have your 2 more spins. Another ways to earn more tickets is to check offers. But hindi ko po ito highly recommended guys ha. Kasi merong iba na kailangan mo pang mag-purchase in apps para makakollect ka ng marami para makapag-level up ka. Pareho nitong State of Survival. Complete settlement for level 15 and you can earn 159,250 tickets. Maraming tickets, pero kailangan mo pang maglabas ng pera para makapag level 15 ka. Make an app purchase sa Rise of Kings and AFK Arena by monthly card for 343,000 tickets. Malaking tickets, pero malaki din ang buslot sa iyong bulsa. So, to get this amount of tickets, like mine, you can earn from finish all missions, get 200 extra bonus from finish all missions, survive 20 seconds, and you will earn 120 ticket. Score 11 points and you will earn 100 ticket. Collect 3 coins and you will earn 80 tickets. But that's not all. Kasi if you will going to finish this missions, makakuha ka ng extra bonus plus mata times 2 ito kung mag-watch ka ng ads for a short time only. Then another way to earn ticket is first prize. Makakakuha ka ng 50 tickets sa pagsasali ng tournament, disco ball, sticky fish, and these games. Like Karate Kido, for example, click natin ito. And let's wait. Mission reward is 60 tickets. So, yung goal mo na point is 697 points. So, click play. And because this is my favorite game, kaya naging violet yung belt ko. So, try natin yung goal na tapusin. So, kahit namatay ka, ay makakuha ka ng ticket dahil natapos mo yung mission and completed. So, your reward is 60. If you want to double it, you can click this double tickets and you will going to watch a short ads. So, it will going to 120 tickets. So, yun lang. Then, kung gusto mong makita kung sino yung previous winners, click winners, and as you can see, nandito si Miss Positive Chica, which is vlogger, and itong si Leah L, and Journal B. Si Antoinette C is level 2 pa lang, pero siya yung top earner kasi naka-refer siya ng friends kasi vlogger siya. And siguro maraming viewers yung gumamit sa referral code niya or link. Then tignan naman natin itong si Journal B, and you will get shocked kung ano yung makikita nyo. So, wala siyang na-refer na friends, pero meron na siyang 2004.05 dollars kasi nanalo siya ng weekly draw na siguro mga $1,000. And how do I win cash? Win the jackpot, refer friends, spin the fortune wheel, log in 7 days in a row. And guys, kapag sa 7th days na paglalaro nito is ang lahat na pong ito ay hindi na po ticket yung makukuha nyo, kundi dollar na. Ang pinaka-low na dollar na ibibigay nila is 0.25 and the highest amount is $100 sa 7th day na paglalaro mo. And kung gusto mong manalo sa weekly draw nila na $500 or in Philippine money is 225,000 pesos, kailangan mo lang ng maraming tickets to collect para manalo ka sa kanilang weekly draw. And guys, abang-abang kayo sa next video ko dahil i-update ko kayo kung sino yung nanalo sa next weekly draw nila, and ends in 2 days, 10 hours, and 5 minutes. So, abang-abang kayo, and after 2 days dahil i-upload ko yung nanalo ng weekly draw nila. Kung papala rin, kung tayo yun, edi thank you. Kung hindi, okay lang kasi meron pa namang next time. So, salamat sa panonood and God bless. That's all for today's video. Sana nakatulong ako, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell down below para ma-update ka sa mga packages ko on how to make money online. Kung natapos mo itong video, congrats! Bye!
Let me take you dancing
Like da 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 da.